Welcome to my channel. I am here with another Amazon hair review and I'm so excited. But in case you're interested, let me go ahead and tell you now. This wig, honey, is from Hairviv. Yes, and I just crimped it. And the color came like this naturally. This is their ombre wig. Glasses are from Zenni Optical, where I get 99% of my glasses. Lip gloss is Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Glow Honey. This is just the unboxing video, so beware or stay tuned for updates on how I will wear this hair, etc. So, quick background. I wanted to do a half wig, so I started looking at YouTube videos. And I was getting ready to use some hair from Kinkistry, which is where I get 99% of my curly hair from. But Kinkistry, they cost a little bit, and that's okay. And I'm not mad at them. But sometimes, like, I want to do the hot glue gun method, and I don't want to use like super expensive hair because of my Kinkistry hair. If I turn it into a wig and I want to turn it into clip-ins, it won't be a big deal. I can just cut the weft, or not the weft, but the sew, because I was going to sew it on a cap. Just cut it off, turn it into some clip-ins, no big deal. But when I do this half wig, I just want to do the glue gun method because it's quick, it's easy peasy. So I didn't want to use my Kinkistry hair, at least not until I'm good at it, because I haven't made a wig in forever. So I was doing some research on YouTube, of course, and this girl had a bomb half wig, and she said she got her hair from this company. So this is how I received the hair, just like this. It looks like maybe, instructions are on the back of the actual box. Wash the hair regularly with hair conditioner and a good shampoo. Wash and deep condition the hair before install. Detangle hair gently before washing. To wet, add mild hair conditioner. Please finger detangle. Use a big tooth comb. Hair becomes dry, put some olive oil in your hair. Wash once or twice a week with water. The water with conditioner can be blah, blah, blah. So basically they want you to co-wash this hair more than you wash it. Okay. So, here we go. Okay. Oh, they get it straight to the point. Alright. I don't even remember. I was hoping that they put my little thing in there because I don't remember the sizes that I got. But they give you some eyelashes, which I feel like every company in China gives you eyelashes. And another thing is I wanted the hair kind of long because, I don't know, I just want like a long, curly, black, cute half wig that I could just pop on, fluff it out. Yes. So I have 20 inches, 18 inches, and 18 inches. So I got two 18 inches and a 20 inch. I did not get a closure because I am making a half wig. So if you don't know anything about a half wig, and I don't know if I'm going to record myself making this wig, only because I've never made a half wig before ever. And back in the day, like, I used to make wigs all the time, like back when I used to weave all the time. And since I've been wearing my natural hair, I don't forgot, child. Okay, so this is the 20 inch, which sometimes what people do with curly hair is they'll put the, like, let's say I get a 20, 18, and 16, for example. Some people will put the 16 at the bottom, the 18, and then the 20 on top so it looks longer. I don't know. I might do 18, 20, 18. But this smells like nothing, like regular weave. And, okay, so this is the back of my head. Here we go. And this is the front. Okay, so this is pretty long. I'm excited. I don't think I've ever had 20 inches in curly hair. Maybe I have. Okay, so the initial review, it's soft. Okay, fingers going straight through. It feels like they already like conditioned it. Like it feels really, really, really soft. Okay, so I have like maybe 5 strands of hair, but the smell doesn't smell like anything. 18 inches. So it doesn't come like in a pretty box or anything special, which I'm fine with. And maybe if you order directly from the store, maybe they do something different, but I don't, you know, I know some people are really big into packaging, but I'm gonna throw it away anyway. You're gonna throw it away anyway, so. Okay, so this is the 18. Of course, they have a little net over it. Okay. Now I did not measure with my measuring thing yet, obviously. This is soft. It smells good. Like it doesn't smell bad at all. 100% human hair. Oh, and this is the Brazilian curly. Let me check, child. Because they didn't even, you know how like you order something on Amazon or just something online in general, and they give you like, this is what you ordered, check, check, check. They did not include that. So let me look on here right now and tell y'all everything. Okay, so of course, like I mentioned before, I have Amazon Prime, so it came in 2 days. Okay, so the store is Klaiyi Hair, Klaiya. Let's try that again. Klaiyi. On Amazon, they have 4 stars and 294 reviews. Again, 3-pack, 100% virgin Brazilian human hair, 95 to 100 grams. So it definitely looks exactly like it does. Looks exactly how it looks online, and yes, that is exactly how much I paid for it. Okay, honey. I think she has a closure. I didn't want a closure. Okay, cute. So yeah, like I said, I'm making a half wig. I did not want a closure, and it was extremely affordable. So I am going to do the glue gun method. I will let you guys know, or you will see, either A, you will see me with the hair installed, or B, you will see me making the wig. I just don't want to commit, you know, I don't want to commit, y'all. So this is a quick video. This is just an unboxing of this hair. This one also smells normal. When I say normal, it's just like weave, just smells like weave, unless it smells directly like some form of conditioner or shampoo from the company. I always wash before I do anything, but I kind of wanted to start making this tonight. So I might make the wig and then wash it. Don't judge me, but I don't know. We'll see. If I don't make the wig in the next hour, then I'll just wash the hair and let it air dry and try to make it this weekend. If not, I'll let you guys know. But yes, this feels like it's gonna be pretty thick. And as you know, with curly hair, it gets bigger and bigger. And I have like 100,000 million bajillion curly hair products, so I don't think I'll have a problem with taming the curls. With curly hair, I'm already familiar with it because I normally wear my hair natural. I don't have a wig on now, but I normally wear my hair natural. So I know how to tame it, but with curly hair, if you want it to be bigger, obviously you can use more bundles, or you can, this is the net, or you can just like do this. But if you want it to be a little bit more defined, then when you put the product on there, so the leave-in conditioner or curling gel, then you put it on and you kind of just run it through the hair, and then as it dries, then you don't mess with it, you just let it be. So stay tuned, guys, but this is extremely affordable. My initial review on this hair is a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys check me out on Instagram. I post on there regularly. My YouTube channel, bear with me. I'm working. I'm trying, y'all. But make sure you guys definitely check me out on Instagram, Hairvolutions. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I post the next video.